This is our video for Tuesday, April 7th for pre-cal. Our objective today is to review for our quiz on 7.5, which is adding and subtracting and multiplying matrices. The first thing I want you to do is to check your work. And so let me see if I can get it all in the picture here. This is first day's work. So if you'll pause your video and check your answers, that would be for the first assignment, adding, subtracting matrices and equivalent matrices. And here we have the answers for the work from Friday on multiplying matrices together. So again, pause the video and check your answers. Now today we are going to have a quiz. I don't think you guys had any trouble with your adding and subtracting other than just little mental mistakes. So I want to work number 28 for you, just to review multiplying matrices before you take your quiz. Again, it's not difficult process, but you have to make sure you're going the right direction. And it's a lot of little places to make mistakes with your computations. So our first matrix is a 3 by 3. Our second matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. So we can multiply this together, and our answer should be a 3 by 2 matrix. And we're going to take rows of the first matrix by the columns of the second. So I'm going to take the 0, negative 1, 2 times the 2, 4, 1. So 0 times 2 plus negative 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1. And then I'm going to take this row times our second column, 0 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times negative 5 plus 2 times 6. And then I'm going to go down to the second row and repeat the process. So 6 times 2, 0 times 4, and 3 times 1. And then 6 times negative 1, 0 times negative 5, and 3 times 6. And then I'm going to move to the third row, 7 times 2, negative 1, times 4, plus 8 times 1. And then 7 times negative 1, negative 1 times negative 5, and 8 times 6. So row by column. Now I just need to do the arithmetic. So I'm going to have 0, negative 4, and 2. That's going to give me negative 2. 12, 0, and 3 is 15. 14, negative 4, and 8 is going to be 18. 0, 5, and 12 is 17. Negative 6 and 18 is 12. Negative 7, 5, and 48 is going to be 46. Now, let me check my answer real quick. Oh, that was on the other side. And I got it correct. And hopefully you did too. If you have any questions, you can join me for Zoom at 10 o'clock, and I'll be glad to work any problems or answers that or questions that you have. Our quiz will be opened up at 10:30 tomorrow, and be sure and take good pictures and email me the pictures, please. Email the pictures to me. And haven't quite figured out what direction I want to go starting tomorrow, but I will let you know in our video tomorrow. So do well on your quiz and be sure and send me good pictures.